Hello guys, so we have a laptop here which is HP 650G3. This is one of those, it takes ages to pull it apart and then put it back together, so the board is already been removed, and the problem with this is it's not turning on. And if we connect it to the DC power supply, see the DC power supply readings there. Where is the charger? Oh yeah, here. And do you see it's not taking any amps, it's completely dead. Check some readings here. So this is the first MOSFET here, current resistor. So first of all I have to check if it's not the DC check. Okay, so reading the voltage on first MOSFET here, do you see? Oh no, it's gone. Yeah, 19 volt. Okay, and then the output of first MOSFET is 0. Okay, and no voltage is passing through first MOSFET. Let's check the second one. 0, 0. Okay, so now let's check under the microscope, because if the voltage is not passing through first MOSFET, of course it's not gonna turn on. But the problem here is completely dead. It's not giving any indication of short or something, you know. Okay, so that's okay. Gate to output, that's okay. This is the second MOSFET. All good here. All good here. All good here. Okay, in this case I would like to check now 5 volt and 3.3 volt, especially 3.3 volt power supply. This one is okay, this one is okay. Now should be CPU should be okay. MOSFETs here, and this is part of the 3.3 or 5 volt. Do you see? It's very low resistance, 112, 0.2. I don't know which one is ground. Most probably this one is ground. Okay, see here. This one is the same. I will show you under the microscope. This one here, 0.7, very low. Okay, so I'm injecting 1.2 volt with 1.5 amps. So which was here, yep, it's taking over here, so it's taking 0.7 volt and 1.8 amps. Let's do you see here? Oh come on. So if I remove it, see, it's gone, and if I inject the volt again, see, it's getting hot. Now where is it? Here. Okay, let's go closer. Let me focus it. Let's go somewhere around here, I would say. Here. Here. Yep. So that one there, it's again, yeah. Do you see that capacitor here? That come on, why are you not coming out? from here. Yeah. Oh, come on. Yeah, gone. Alright, now the thing is, if you still have short, let me check. Now short. And let's check here. We started over here. No short. Any change? Yeah, do you see? But I don't think that's turning on still. No. Okay. Okay, let's check again. First MOSFET here where we had 19 and it's still the same. Do you know? See? I would like to check again this MOSFET. All good here. What's the problem then? That's all good. Why it's not turning on? Okay, let's check it here. Yeah, do you see? It looks like it's turning on. What the hell? Maybe it was taking time. Okay, let's check. 19 here. Yeah, second MOSFET 19 here. Yeah, it looks like it's turning on. Maybe it's restarting. Okay, now before we do anything, let's replace this. The board is inside. I hate this design, man. Disaster. Okay, so and connected LCD connector. There is we have to connect this because there is no BIOS battery. Okay, everything looks okay. No, I have to do it like, oh no, battery is gone down again. And here, okay, there you go. And yep, as you can see, it's turning on. Looks like it's turning on, but the lights are on, as you can see here. Yep, turned on. There is no hard drive, so yeah, should be okay. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.